Welcome to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a tropical paradise nestled in the Bay of Bengal. Join me as we explore this stunning archipelago, known for its breathtaking beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and rich cultural heritage. Dive into the crystal clear waters and discover an underwater wonderland teeming with vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. The Andaman Islands are a haven for snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts, providing unforgettable underwater experiences.
Barren Island.
Explore the dramatic volcanic landscape of Barren Island. Marvel at the rugged terrain, volcanic crater, and remnants of past lava flows that shape this mystical island. Discover the local legends and folklore surrounding Barren Island. Hear stories passed down through generations about the island's volcanic eruptions and mystical charm. Dive into the crystal clear waters surrounding Barren Island to discover its rich marine biodiversity. Encounter vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish, and possibly spot majestic manta rays and sharks.
Car Nicobar.
Car Nicobar is known for its pristine beaches, lush greenery, and the vibrant culture of its indigenous Nicobarese people. It offers a serene escape and a glimpse into a unique way of life. Discover the rich cultural heritage of Car Nicobar. Experience traditional Nicobarese dances, admire intricate handicrafts, and learn about the customs that have been preserved for generations.
Great Nicobar.
Great Nicobar Island is renowned for its untouched natural beauty and diverse ecosystems. It offers a glimpse into a world where lush rainforests meet pristine beaches, creating a haven for wildlife and adventure seekers. Discover efforts to conserve Great Nicobar's fragile ecosystems and promote sustainable ecotourism. Support initiatives that aim to protect the island's biodiversity and natural beauty.
Diglipur.
Diglipur, located in the northern part of the Andaman Islands, is known for its tranquil ambience and natural wonders. It offers a perfect blend of scenic landscapes and cultural experiences.
Indira Port.
Indira Point, a remote and fascinating destination located at the southernmost tip of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Join us as we explore this unique and scenic location. Experience the breathtaking natural beauty of Indira Point. The coastline is lined with lush greenery and fringed by turquoise waters, offering picturesque views that are a treat for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike.
Trekking.
Trekking in the Andaman Islands offers a unique blend of lush greenery, diverse wildlife, and panoramic views. From easy coastal walks to challenging jungle trails, there's something for every trekking enthusiast.
Elephant Beach.
Elephant Beach, a tropical paradise nestled in Havelock Island of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Join us as we explore its pristine shores, turquoise waters, and vibrant marine life. Elephant Beach is renowned for its natural beauty and excellent snorkeling opportunities. Located on Havelock Island, it's a favorite destination for travelers seeking sun, sea, and adventure. To reach Elephant Beach, take a ferry from Port Blair to Havelock Island. From there, you can choose to trek through the forest or take a boat ride to the secluded beach, surrounded by lush greenery. For adrenaline junkies, Elephant Beach offers a range of water sports. Experience the thrill of jet skiing, enjoy a banana boat ride with friends, or soar above the azure waters while parasailing.
Baratang.
Baratang Island, a hidden paradise in the Andaman Islands. Join us as we explore its mysterious caves, lush mangroves, and volcanic wonders. The journey to Baratang is an adventure in itself. You'll travel by road and ferry, passing through dense forests and crossing the Jarawa Tribal Reserve. Please remember to respect the local communities and follow all guidelines.
Middle Andaman.
Middle Andaman Island, a hidden gem in the Andaman archipelago. Join us as we uncover its pristine nature, rich biodiversity, and unique cultural experiences. Middle Andaman is the central island in the Andaman Group, known for its untouched natural beauty, dense forests, and tranquil beaches. It's a perfect destination for eco-tourists and adventure seekers. One of Middle Andaman's unique geological features is the mud volcanoes at Jarawa Creek. Watch as the mud bubbles up from the earth, creating fascinating natural formations. In the northern part of Middle Andaman lies Mayabunda, known for its scenic beaches and vibrant community. Karmatang Beach, often called Turtle Paradise, is a nesting ground for sea turtles and a great spot for boat rides and snorkeling.
Port Blair.
Port Blair, the vibrant capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Join us as we explore its rich history, cultural heritage, and breathtaking natural beauty. Port Blair, located in the Bay of Bengal, is the gateway to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This bustling city offers a unique blend of colonial history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. Port Blair is well connected by air and sea. The Veer Savarkar International Airport receives flights from major Indian cities, and ferries connect the islands. From budget-friendly guest houses to luxurious resorts, there are accommodations to suit every traveler's needs.
Scuba diving.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a scuba diver's paradise. Dive with us into the crystal clear waters to explore vibrant coral reefs, exotic marine life, and unforgettable underwater adventures. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are among the top scuba diving destinations in the world. With their clear waters, diverse marine ecosystems, and well-preserved coral reefs, these islands offer a diving experience like no other.
Cellular jail.
Cellular jail in Port Blair, a poignant symbol of India's struggle for independence. Join us as we explore the history, architecture, and stories of this iconic site. The Cellular Jail, also known as Kala Pani, is located in Port Blair, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Built by the British in the late 19th century, this jail housed many Indian freedom fighters during the struggle for independence. A visit to the Cellular Jail is a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made for India's freedom. It encourages us to reflect on the past and honor the legacy of those who fought for our independence.
Smith and Rose Island.
Smith and Ross Islands, twin paradises in the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Let's explore the stunning beauty and unique features of these connected islands. Located north of Port Blair, Smith and Ross Islands are connected by a natural sandbar. These islands are known for their pristine beaches, clear waters, and rich marine life. One of the unique features of Smith and Ross Islands is the natural sandbar that connects them. During low tide, you can walk between the islands, experiencing the surreal feeling of being surrounded by the ocean on both sides.
Neil Island.
Neil Island, another beautiful part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Neil Island, also known as Shaheed Dweep, a serene paradise in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Join us as we explore its tranquil beauty and vibrant marine life. Neil Island is a small yet enchanting part of the Andaman archipelago. Known for its stunning beaches, lush forests, and relaxed atmosphere, it's an ideal destination for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. One of Neil Island's unique attractions is the Natural Bridge, also known as Howrah Bridge. This stunning rock formation, created by the force of the waves, is a must-see for visitors and a great spot for photography.
Havelock Island.
Located in the Bay of Bengal, Havelock Island is part of India's Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life, it's a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Havelock Island is famous for its underwater adventures. Dive into the clear waters to explore vibrant coral reefs and swim alongside colorful marine creatures. Several dive shops offer guided experiences for both beginners and experienced divers. As we conclude our journey through the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we reflect on the incredible diversity and natural beauty that define this archipelago. From the turquoise waters and pristine beaches to the lush rainforests and vibrant coral reefs, each island offers a unique tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed our exploration of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more travel insights and inspirations. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the beauty around you.